Our daily Sudoku practice continues. Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Sunday, February the 17th, 18th, 2024. We have here two regular puzzles. The Sudoku Medium, I will solve this one in a minute. Tomorrow I will do the Quintuplet. Tomorrow evening, these two regular puzzles. But we have also here a puzzle page with 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars Sudoku. We have 2 of them. Then we have a killer Sudoku. 2 binaries, 10 by 10, and 1 tectonic. 4 of these puzzles I will do in the evening. And we have also for tomorrow an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. The letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars and 1 with 1 star. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will do tomorrow. But first, medium Sudoku. Yes, the medium Sudoku. Number. This will be number. 8020. Yeah, 8020. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, in additional, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 2 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the number? The number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. Here an 8 in this last column, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 8 in this big square. Shoot there. 8, 8, okay. 8, 8, 8. 8, 8. Then 6, 6. 6, 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only place level 6. Over there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So that column, the only place level 6. Over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here 6 in the third column, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Shoot there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, only place level 6. Shoot me there. Then 6, 6. And 6 there. Alright. Need a 4 here. Need a 3 there. Need a 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here 9 in this row, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. Alright. Need a 3 here. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Need a 9 here again. Need a 9 there again. Okay, so we have 8. Pair with the 8. Yeah. 9 and 8 in this row, first row. 9 and 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 9 and 8 goes in these 3 boxes. 9 and 8, 9 and 8, 9 and 8. And look, we have 9 and 8 in the middle column, so no 9 and 8 in this box. 9 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. Then, let me see. Need 2 here. Need a 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 in this row. 3 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 1 was the 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and 6, 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 7 in the second row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 7. So we have a 4 in the third column, a first column, 4 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Need a 4 there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 and 8. So 2 numbers left in the second column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. Here we have 2 missing numbers in the third column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have 1 in last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 5 goes there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. 1 box left in the second row. For number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for 6 will be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. Need a 1 here. Then, let me see. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. Well, need a 4 here, need a 4 there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing number in this big square is number 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Need a 4 here also. 4, 1, 7. Here need a 1 and a 7. And the 4 there. 3, 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the last row, no 3 there, 3 should be there, 3, 3. Need a 2 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. And look, we have a 2 and a 3 in this row. So no 2 and 3 in this box. 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 is left in this big square for number 7. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2 and the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. Wait. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers are 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 7 in this first row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in the middle column for number, I believe, the 7, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, yeah, the 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing, 7, 9, 7, 9. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 9 and 8, we have a 9 now in this column, so no 9 there, 9 should be here, 8 goes there. 1 box left in this column. For number, the 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and 7, we have a 2 now in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 1 box left in this row. For number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. And all the 4s, nope, we need a 4 here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Let me mark those. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. And here we have a pair. That means the other 2 numbers in this row are the numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, yeah, no, 5, we have 5 here. 6, 7, 8 is missing. Yeah, 8. 1 and 8, we have 8 now in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 1 goes there. 1 and 8, we have 8 now in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and the 2, we have 1 now in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and the 3, we have a 2 now in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And the final number in this big square for the number, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Finish in 14 minutes. Well. Well, I'm pleased with the time, because I thought I need 15 to 20 minutes, and we solved it in 14 minutes. So I'm well pleased. Should be a 1-star, yeah. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the puzzle page. Until then, bye-bye for now.